Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both side, and you got about 2x minus 3 ds. First derivative of s squared, you got about 2x. First derivative of s, you got about number 1. That why you have negative number 3 in here. This one is about the constant, so you got about 0 in here. dv, we have this one. The integration of this one, we have v equals to e to the power of s. So we have u multiplied by v. So we have this one multiplied by e to the power of s minus the u multiplied by v, and we have the integration. That is about 2x minus 3, and we have e to the power of s ds. Now we continue u integration by parts again. Now that should be about 2x minus 3. If we do first derivative, you got about number 2. Now about this one, we have u multiplied by v, so that should be about 2x minus 3 multiplied by e to the power of s minus number 2, and we have the u multiplied by v, and we have the integration e to the power of s ds. And this one you got about e to the power of s, and we put about c in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.